No one knows where I am right now. Before I left Paris, I really wanted to wake up early and just go in the middle of the woods with my saxophone and just play, play for the birds, play for God. There's no one here, no one to hear me, no one to see me. So let's see how it goes. It was so peaceful and it was so beautiful until a little dog came, started running around, and a big dog also came. There was actually many dogs, but it was nice. I'm playing a song from Willy Wonka called Pure Imagination. It's one of my favorite songs, and yeah, I think this was such a nice ending to my time here in Paris. I'm really gonna miss it, and yeah, that's it.